Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of contacting Wattpad support directly from the mobile app. Whether you're facing technical issues, account problems, or need assistance with content moderation. First, open the Wattpad app on your phone. Next, look at the top right and click on your current profile photo. Then, click on the Settings icon, which is also located at the top right. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap on Help and Support. Then, select Submit a support ticket. After that, tap on My issue isn't listed. Next, choose the appropriate category that best describes your issue from the list provided. Then, click on Submit Support Ticket. Next, from the menu, select the specific problem you're encountering. Then, in the text box, describe your issue in detail. Finally, tap on Report at the top right corner, then tap Done to submit your ticket. By following these steps, you can easily submit a support ticket to Wattpad directly from the app. This ensures your concerns are addressed promptly by their support team. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others. Thank you for watching, and we appreciate your support.